When researching, one of the best ways to find more relevant articles is to review the literature review section or bibliography of another article related to your topic. When you find articles that you think might be useful, here's how you can track them down. So we're looking at the bibliography, and let's say we're interested in this one right here. Simply copy the title of the article. So I just highlighted that and copied. And then enter that, paste it right into your WorldCat search. WorldCat is checking our collections to see if we have access to this article. And for this one, we do. Simply click the red button to access the full text. And there it is, and you can go ahead and download the article or read it there in the window. Of course, we don't have immediate access to every article. Let's look at this one here. Again, I'm just going to copy the title in full, go back to my WorldCat search, and paste it in. Now here I don't see a direct match to that title. One tip is to change this sort option here to best match. Our catalog puts the library's things at the top, and so if we don't have it, switching to best match might actually match that title a little more. Now that does look like the title, but I don't see a red button there to access it. If I click on it, I can certainly learn more about the article by reading the abstract here. And if I want it, I can click the Borrow This Item from Another Library to start the interlibrary loan process. You just click it, I'm logged in so it recognizes me, and all I need to do is click Submit to get that article. So that's a great way to find additional relevant articles on your topic.